Excited tone. What if I told you? You could fire your entire editing team, your designer, your scriptwriter, and still create content that looks like $1,000,000. Sounds crazy, right? But these 10 AI tools are doing just that. Creators are saving hours, and thousands, every week. Let's dive into the AI revolution built just for you. Let's start with Runway ML. It's like having a full post-production studio right in your browser. Want to remove video backgrounds without a green screen? Done. Want to edit videos just by editing the script? Yep. And now with Gen 2, it's generating videos from text, pure sorcery. Next up, Descript. This tool lets you edit your video like a Word doc. Delete, and awkward pauses with one click. You can even clone your voice and overdub anything. It's like having a personal podcast engineer, editor, and scriptwriter in one. For all you photographers out there, Cleanup.Pictures is a game changer. Got photobombers or messy backgrounds? Cleanup.Pictures uses AI to erase anything in your image, flawlessly. Great for thumbnails, reels, and insta-perfect pics. Drag, erase, done. Need catchy YouTube descriptions, titles, or ad copy in seconds? Copy.ai has got you covered. It generates high-converting content with just a prompt. Writers, step aside. Now Canva Magic Design. You just describe what you want, a minimalist YouTube thumbnail with red accents, and Canva's AI does the rest. No Photoshop needed, and it looks stunning. Pictory is next. Write a script, paste it, and Pictory will automatically add stock footage, captions, and transitions. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels, explainer videos, or TikToks. Remini is for enhancing low-quality photos. Got an old pixelated selfie? Remini sharpens it into HD like magic. Great for creators reusing past content or creating crisp thumbnails. Lumen 5 is amazing if you have a blog or newsletter. It turns that text into a stunning animated video with stock visuals, music, and captions. Perfect for Instagram and LinkedIn. And then there's Jasper. Think of it as copy.ai on steroids. It remembers your tone, brand style, and can even write entire blog posts, video scripts, emails, and landing pages. Smart content at scale. Lastly, 11 Labs. Need a narrator for your video? 11 Labs creates voices that sound shockingly human. Accents, emotions, even custom cloning. A total game changer for storytelling and YouTube automation. Excited tone. So there you go. 10 AI tools that can literally replace your editing, design, and writing team and save you hours every week. Which tool blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you love saving time and making better content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Hustle Hub for more creator tools that feel like magic.